Devi Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today in this video, we are going to see about an unified process model. In previous models videos, we have learned about software engineering process model, evolutionary model, then different types of evolutionary model like waterfall model, incremental model. So next, in previous video we seen about an agile model. They plays a different roles in uh, interaction within customers. So this model also mean to be different from other model. Let me see how the process can be used. So first, this is called as an unified process in software engineering model. So the what is unified model? The software development process framework, a key principle that is it is one of the software development process model. So here there are different key principles in a unified process model like iterative model, incremental model, and use case driven model. So it is an importance in the software development. Let me see how the unified model process in each and every stages. So the background of the unified model, it was developed by Ivar Jacobson, Grady Booch, and James Rumbach. So related to unified modeling languages, UML, already we have learned UML languages. This model also developed within different methodology. It also influenced within UML model. This is the different discipline occurs during the model. So let me see how the process can start. First one is in communication, planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. So in a waterfall model, we have learned about first to start from the requirement analyzing, designing, development, then implementation, testing, and at last maintenance. But here the terms are different. Words they are using communication, interception. That should be an interception between the customer and the developers. That is in planning stage. After that, they have to make a document how the data can be used and where to be data can be used, where to collect, what are the different methodology they are using. We have to analyze all those things. After that, planning and modeling. Planning should be there. There should be a clear cut planning, elaborations of data between the modeling and the planning. That is, data should be elaborative manner. After that, modeling and construction between the customer and the developer should be there. After construction, there should be a deep transition from construction to deployment. So transition should be there. After that, if there may be any changes, there may be any requirement from the customer, there may be technology change, they have to include more data if they plan to do best in when compared to others. Likewise, if they have any reasons means, again they have to move to the communication stage, interception, planning, elaboration, modeling, construction, and etc. After that, software, uh, software maintenance should be that. At last, they have to hand over to the particular customers. Next. So, likewise, requirement designing, implementation, testing, and deployment process. So, instead of these terms, they are using inception, elaboration, construction, and transition. Inception means scope and feasibility. Scope, what is scope? Scope means it is a lifetime of the given requirements. Feasibility should be study based on the requirement and needs. Elaboration, analyzing risk and refinement requirements. Construction, building the product incrementally. They have to increment the product incrementally. Transition, deploy, and validate. Where validation should be there, then deployment also should be there. It should be in the clear manner. Then, why iterative and incremental should be there? There are benefits. Risk management should be there. Early feedback, adaptability. Why we are getting early feedback means, so before facing consequences, we have to gather the feedback from the users. Then only we can easily implement the phases with the different methodologies. So next we are going to see about traditional models along with the agile models also. That is benefits. Just I compared with a previous model. Already I said that in waterfall model they are using different terms but same as the unified model, but there is a change means each and every time there should be a clear cut ideas which gather from the customers. Then only we can easily adapt to the new technologies and environment. So pros and cons of unified process: benefits, scalability, flexibility, clear documentation. Challenging means so it is a complex, steep learning curve should be there. There will be up and downs in the process. So variant of the unified process, rational unified process, RUP we can call it as an. So we will study later agile unified process. So difference how they are using. From this video, I conclude the agile technology and unified model both are important in the concept, but unified plays an important role because they are supported within UML languages. Thank you.